Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. In this video, I am providing a list of good companies declaring dividends this week. Friends, if you are new here, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. Hi friends. What I want you all to remember is this important point in the video. Listen to this part with concentration. You have to keep in mind the ex-dividend date. The ex-dividend date is normally 2 business days before the record date. If you purchase a stock on or after its ex-dividend date, you will not receive the next dividend payment. Instead, the seller gets the dividend. And if you purchase before the ex-dividend date, you will get the dividend. So friends, purchase the shares before the ex-dividend date to receive the dividends. So the companies on the list: Procter and Gamble, Hygiene. Final dividend of rupees 48 per share. Ex-dividend date is 19th November. The stock is currently trading at 11,178.35. PE is 86.17. Industry PE is 53.96. It belongs to the FMCG industry. Second company is Dr. Path Labs. It is giving interim dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-dividend date is on 20th November. It's currently trading at 1,592.32. It has a PE of 57.12. Industry PE is 112.60. It belongs to the healthcare services industry. The next company is Nilkamal. It is providing interim dividend of rupees 5 per share. The ex-dividend is 20th November. The current price is 1,332.20. It has a PE of 17.74 and industry PE is 39.58. It belongs to the plastic products industry. Amara Raja Batteries. Interim dividend is rupees 6 per share. Ex-dividend date is 21st November. It is currently trading at 746.20 and it has a PE of 21.03 and industry PE of 25.84. It belongs to the batteries industry. Balrampur Chini Mill. Interim dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-dividend date is 21st November. The current price is 147.65. It has a PE of 5.29 and industry PE of 13.32. It belongs to the sugar industry. The next company on the list is CRISIL. It is providing an interim dividend of rupees 7 per share. Ex-dividend date is 21st November. It is currently trading at 1,481.20 and it has a PE of 28.13 and industry PE of 36.83. It belongs to the ratings industry. Next company is Balkrishna Inds. It is providing an interim dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-dividend date is 22nd November. It is currently trading at 862.85 and it has a PE of 21.83 and industry PE is 31.93. The industry type is tires. The next company is Care Ratings. It is providing an interim dividend of rupees 8 per share and ex-dividend date is 19th November. It is currently trading at 504.80. It has a PE of 12.84 and industry PE of 36.83 and the industry type is ratings. So these are the companies which I feel are fundamentally good and have a potential to move forward in terms of share price. And this would be a considerable dividend income for the investors who are looking in for dividend income. So remember to purchase the shares before the ex-dividend date to receive the dividends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.